Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are taking the T4 rat rod to HTown, which stands for Hitchin Town car meet thing. Basically it's a convoy. We got a meet in Hitchin Town centre and then we at 6:30 we'll then cruise down to a local pub, all park in the car park or the field of the pub, and all the cars are on display. So it's kind of like a car cruise meet show thing. Yes, let's get to it. We just got to the meet. We're just having a look around. T4's parked up there. I'm gonna have a look around, see what's going on. Nice Porsche, someone's daughter. Nice Beetle. I'm not going to take too many videos of the cars here because I'm going to do a proper montage when we get down to the main point where everyone's on display. So yeah, I'll do that when we get down there in a bit. Okay, we are in the van. We are now heading off in the convoy. Well, it's not much of a convoy because look who I'm convoying with. Yeah, I'm convoying with cyclists right now. So yeah, we're off to the Cricketers pub in Weston. Well, it's all going off. We're here in a minute. Look around me. They've got live music going on. We've got pizza going on over there. We've got a bar here. Got lots of live music going on. I'm about to go down and do the cars in a second, so I'll go down and get a montage on the go, shall we?
fly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride disco, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a super fly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride disco, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a super fly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a super fly disco. Looking like a super fly disco. We can ride disco, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a super fly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. Then you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride disco, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a super fly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. Then you can ride looking like a super fly disco.
That is the end of this video. We're now about to bugger off home, and yeah, it was a good turnout. It was really good to see lots of cool cars, and I should do this more often. And I know what they're doing behind me. See you in the next one.